Japanese anti-aging secrets to look young even after your 50s. 2 steps to remember. 1. Skin makes new collagen when you sleep, which prevents sagging. 2. The natural best face creams and moisturizers to make your skin healthy and tighten. We've all had those restless nights of tossing and turning, staring at the ceiling, unable to get more than a couple hours of shut-eye. Lack of sleep can lower blood pressure, making skin look dull and causing poor circulation, resulting in puffy eyes. This organic banana-infused sleep remedy works wonders, and it tastes great too. We all know the nutrition value of banana. So, are bananas good for you? Let's talk about banana nutrition facts. Potassium in banana benefits and maintaining normal blood pressure and heart function. Now boil bananas before bed, drink the liquid and you will not believe what happens to your sleep. All you need to do is cut off both ends of the banana and place it into boiling water. Boil it for around 10 minutes. Drink the juice 1 hour before bedtime. If you are worried about being wasteful, you never had a boiled banana before. Eating the warm gooey fruit will increase soothing effects and it makes a yummy dessert. Why you should avoid sleeping pills. Out of despair many of us resort to sleeping pills, and almost half of American population suffering from insomnia or poor sleep. If you are feeling adventurous, sprinkle the cinnamon into the juice. The stress hormone released after an inadequate night's sleep breaks collagen, resulting skin sagging and wrinkles. Now drink this, boil bananas before bed, drink the liquid and you will not believe what happens to your sleep. When it comes to the best skin care products or the best anti-aging cream, this is going to be the best. Because you can store it for a week in refrigerator. Potatoes are a rich source of vitamin C, which helps to regenerate collagen that has been damaged and also prevent loss of skin elasticity. When it comes to the best anti-aging face cream or a natural fairness cream, the potato is one of the best ingredient. Carrots also contain vitamin C that aids the collagen production in the body. Collagen is a type of protein that is vital for the maintenance of the skin elasticity. It helps prevent wrinkles and locks the process of aging. Vitamin A, being an antioxidant, also attacks the free radicals to prevent the signs of aging like wrinkles, pigmentation and an uneven skin tone. Now boil all the ingredients for about 10 to 15 minutes. As we grow old, our skin starts to show signs of aging. It starts losing its natural elasticity, which leads to sagging. Sagging of skin is a natural process and is irreversible, but it can be reduced and delayed. Often, people opt for cosmetic surgeries that are very costly and have side effects. Fortunately, there are some home remedies to tighten skin. Now you need to blend potato well and take 2 teaspoons of the paste. Your fine lines and wrinkles will fade away with ease. You can apply it under your eye as the best eye cream for wrinkles. They are simple and easy and also work effectively to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. After that you need to blend carrot well and take 2 teaspoons of the paste as well. This remedy has not only an anti-aging benefits, it will work as a skin whitening or the skin bleaching cream. This skin lightening cream will help in underarm whitening as well. Now add half a teaspoon of baking soda, as it has skin bleaching properties, and also add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder as it is beneficial for skin care. Now mix all the ingredients well, to make a creamy consistency. Aging. This one word is all it takes to bring to life every woman's worst nightmare. And what makes it is even harder is that the stressful and polluted environment of today only speeds up the aging process. If you're looking for the best anti-aging creams to help fight the aging process, this is going to be one of them. Apply this cream at night before sleep. It is a laugh lines filler and the best wrinkle remover face cream which diminish the lines around mouth and forehead wrinkles forever. Now wash it off with cool water in the morning. Young looking skin is what we always dream of. Wrinkles, crow's feet, fine lines. laugh lines, and dark spots are the biggest nightmares of any woman. We can't run away from aging, but what we can do is delay it as long as possible with these do-it-at-home packs and face masks. At last, store the mixture in the refrigerator and use it for 1 week at least, without side effects. If you like the video, then share it with your friends and let them know the tips for getting the beautiful skin naturally. And don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more tips on natural beauty. Thank you.